Welcome back to UTC AI Studio, AI powered, creativity fueled. If you've already seen our first 10 ChatGPT hacks, you know this isn't just another tips video. We go deep into real, practical techniques that actually improve your daily AI use. And today, we're continuing the journey with the next 10 powerful hacks. From unlocking advanced tools like Canvas to smarter reasoning techniques that feel almost human. Whether you're a student, professional, or everyday AI explorer, these next-level hacks will take your GPT-4o experience from good to whoa, why wasn't I using this earlier? Let's dive into hacks 11 through 20. Hack 11. Turn on advanced capabilities. If you are using ChatGPT and haven't turned on advanced features yet, it means you're running it in safe mode without realizing it. There's a hidden advanced feature at the bottom of customized ChatGPT's on desktop version, which unlocks all the advanced tools such as web search, code, Canvas, and advanced voice. But you must enable them manually. Here's how to do it. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on Customize ChatGPT. Now click the Advanced tab at the bottom of the window. This is where the real power lives. You'll see 4 tool toggles. Web browsing lets GPT look things up in real time. Code interpreter, perfect for data analysis, automation, and calculations. Canvas, a whiteboard-style tool for freestyle diagrams and sketches. Advanced voice, for richer, real-time voice conversations. Switch all 4 on. This activates GPT-4o's full potential across text, code, visuals, and voice. Why does this matter? Because if you're not using these tools, you're limiting ChatGPT to just basic text replies, when it can analyze data, draw, search the web, or even chat like a real assistant. Quick example. You want to get latest live information from the internet. Let's ask, pull the actual latest links, blogs, and tweets from trusted sites relating to AI. And we can see that ChatGPT cannot access internet in real time. To fix this issue, we need to enable web search. Once it is done, ChatGPT has access to the internet and can get the latest information we need. And don't forget to turn on the Enable for the new chats toggle so that future chats will get these settings enabled by default. Hack 12. Control the format of your output. One of the most underrated but powerful ways to get better results from ChatGPT is by telling it how to format the answer, not just what to write. If you don't specify the format, GPT might give you a wall of text, but if you guide it, you can get clear, structured outputs like bullet points, tables, checklists, comparison charts, step-by-step guides, JSON or Markdown for developers. Let's look at an example. Need a list of YouTube video ideas. Instead of saying, give me video ideas about ChatGPT, say, list 10 YouTube video ideas about ChatGPT in bullet points. Include a title and a one-line description for each. Output will be easier to read and ready to use. Likewise, we can also say, if you want a comparison between 2 tools, try this. Create a table comparing GPT-4o and Gemini 1.5 in terms of speed, cost, accuracy, and real-time capabilities. GPT will give a clean output with side-by-side table format. Same way, you can also give prompts such as, give me a step-by-step plan to start a newsletter using ChatGPT, format it like a numbered list, or give the result in JSON format, or format this in Markdown with proper headings. Pro tip: if the format isn't right, just say, convert this into bullet points, or rewrite this into a checklist, or make it easy to copy into Excel. By controlling formatting, you will save editing time, get output that's easier to copy-paste, improve clarity for your audience. So next time, don't just ask what you want. Tell GPT how to give it to you. Format is power. Hack 13. Use Explain It to 10 years old for clear answers. Sometimes AI gives answers that sound smart, but it may feel like a Wikipedia article. That's where this simple yet genius hack comes in. Just ask, explain this like I'm 10. It's one of the best ways to turn complex, technical, or confusing content into something clear, simple, and digestible even for adults. Why does it work? ChatGPT adapts its tone, vocabulary, and structure when you ask it to explain things for a 10-year-old. It removes jargon and gives real-world analogies, making even the most advanced topics feel easy. Let's look at some practical uses. Example 1. Understanding AI. Explain artificial intelligence like I'm 10. The response will be simplified. Artificial intelligence is like the brain of that robot, but instead of being made of real brain stuff, it's made with computer code. And break down further for more ease to understand to a 10-year-old. Example 2. Explaining investing. What is the stock market? Explain it to a 10-year-old. The response we will get is quite simplified. The stock market is like a big shop where people buy and sell tiny pieces of big companies, like owning a piece of that candy store. These tiny pieces are called stocks or shares. Pro tip: you can swap 10-year-old with my grandma, a total beginner, a high school student, or someone who has never heard of this before. Use these when you are learning something new, teaching someone else, creating educational content, or writing for a wider audience. So the next time an answer feels too complicated, just say the magic line. Explain it like I'm 10. Simple, smart, and super effective. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, hit the like button so this video reaches more people like you. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. We've got a ton more ChatGPT hacks coming up. Hack 14. Customize appearance. We can customize appearance, light or dark, your way. This might seem like a very small tweak, but switching ChatGPT's appearance settings can seriously improve your focus, comfort, and productivity, especially if you're using it for hours. Why this matters? Just like your workspace matters in the real world, your digital space affects how you think and feel too. Bright screens can strain your eyes and dull ones can kill your energy. With ChatGPT, you can quickly switch between light mode and dark mode, depending on your vibe and environment. Let's see how to change appearance on desktop. Click on your profile icon, select Settings, click the General tab. In here we have Theme, next to it there is a drop-down, click on it. You'll see 3 options. System mode follows your device's system setting. Dark mode, it is easier on the eyes at night or in low light conditions. And finally we have light mode. It is best for bright environments or daytime use. Some scenarios to decide which mode to choose. If you are a night owl or working late, switch to dark mode to reduce eye strain by reducing glare and to stay focused. If you are working in daytime or in bright office space, use light mode for better contrast and visibility for better readability. Or if you opt for system mode, your laptop will handle as per system settings. Pro tip: a comfortable UI helps you stay longer, think clearer, and feel more in control of your AI space. It's a subtle productivity boost and it works. You wouldn't work under bad lighting in real life, so don't settle for it in your AI workspace either. Hack 15. Tell ChatGPT your context. Sometimes ChatGPT gives vague or generic answers. That's usually because it doesn't fully know who you are or what exactly you need. Why this matters? When you start a new chat, ChatGPT has no idea what your job is, your goals, your style, or what you're trying to do. If you don't provide context, it guesses, and that often leads to boring or off-target answers. What to do? Begin your prompt by giving a quick background. Tell ChatGPT who you are, example, student, YouTuber, or a marketer. What you're trying to do, example, write a script or plan a lesson. How you want the answer, example, short bullets, fun tone, or expert level. Let's see an example. I'm a high school student writing a 500-word essay on climate change. Can you help me outline 3 main points with a short intro and conclusion in simple language? The result: ChatGPT will write in a student-friendly tone, stay within word limits, and avoid complex jargon. Bonus tip: you can also ask, what context do you need from me to give a better answer? And ChatGPT will guide you. Hack 16. Ask GPT to improve your prompt. One of the smartest and most underused tricks with ChatGPT is asking it to improve your own prompt before using it. Why this matters? A better prompt equals better output. But if you're unsure how to phrase something, let GPT help you fine-tune it before diving in. You're literally using AI to talk better to AI. How to do it? Let's say you're not sure how to ask something effectively. Instead of guessing, just say, "Here's my prompt," then insert your rough prompt, followed by "Please improve it for clarity, creativity, and better results." Or try giving your prompt, followed by, "Can you rephrase this prompt to get more detailed and professional output?" Let's say your original prompt is, "Write a YouTube description about AI tools." Then ask GPT, "Improve this prompt for better results." The result will be an improved version of prompt from GPT, which is clearer, structured, and gets better results. And if you want to see various prompt styles, you can say, "Give me 3 variations of this prompt." Your prompt followed by one casual, one professional, and one funny. This is super helpful for copywriting, social media posts, educational content, marketing campaigns. Pro tip: once you get an improved prompt, you can ask GPT to generate multiple versions or even combine styles like professional plus witty. You'll be surprised how often a minor tweak in your prompt leads to a massive upgrade in your output. Hack 17. Get a subscription. Let's be honest, the free version of ChatGPT is impressive, but it's like driving a scooter on the highway when a sports car is available. The Plus plan unlocks GPT-4o, the most advanced version packed with features that seriously level up your productivity. Why this matters? With a subscription, you unlock the real power of ChatGPT. Faster responses, smarter models like GPT-4o, which is the all-in-one model, get access to advanced tools like browsing, Canvas, code interpreter, voice, and connected apps with priority access during high traffic, faster, more reliable outputs. Which means you can upload PDF and summarize it, draw a flowchart for my business plan, use real-time web to give me the latest stock update, speak to me like a podcast co-host. And for all the above features, the price quoted for Plus account subscription is $20 per month as of July 2025. But without a subscription, you're stuck with GPT-o3 or o4 model responses and have no multimodal support, file upload and analysis, web browsing, code interpreter, Canvas sketch tool, custom GPTs, memory response formatting, and voice conversations. The difference isn't subtle, it's next level productivity and creativity. Who should consider it? Content creators, business professionals, developers and students, or anyone who uses ChatGPT more than once a week. If you are using AI regularly, the value far outweighs the cost. Bonus tip: if you are not sure yet, start with 1 month. Use it like crazy. If it doesn't boost your output or clarity, cancel it. But chances are you'll never go back.
Quick check-in. If these hacks are making ChatGPT feel more powerful and useful already, give this video a thumbs up so it reaches more AI users like you. And hey, we've got even more interesting contents in the pipeline, so subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss one. Now back to the magic. Hack 18. Use GPT-4o instead of older models. Most users don't realize they're still using older models like o3 or mini when GPT-4o offers much more. Especially beginners or those who never check model names or those who still switch between older GPT models like o3 or o4 mini. It's time for an upgrade. GPT-4o, short for Omni, is the most powerful model currently available in ChatGPT. It's now the default for Plus users. What makes it special? It's multimodal, incredibly fast, and more cost-efficient than older GPT-4 models. Why this hack matters? Using GPT-4o means better reasoning and logic, support for voice, images, and text in a single chat, real-time web search, code interpreter, and Canvas when enabled, improved speed and accuracy, lower cost per token compared to older GPT-4. How to switch to GPT-4o? When you start a new chat, at the top next to the chat bar, you can see ChatGPT. Next to it, there is drop-down arrow. Click it. Make sure GPT-4o is selected. If you're using the free plan, you'll use o4 mini replacing o3 mini on April 16, 2025. If you're on Plus, you'll see GPT-4o as the default and other models in the drop-down. If 4o is not default, choice it. That's it, you're now using the most advanced model available. Let's say you're planning content for your YouTube channel. You type, "Give me 5 trending video ideas with title hooks and short descriptions." Using o3 or even 4.1 mini might get decent ideas. But with GPT-4o, you get more creative hooks, format-ready lists, better context understanding, and even suggestions for thumbnails or CTA. It's like getting a smarter co-pilot for every task. Pro tip: if you're on the Plus plan and GPT-4o isn't selected by default, switch it manually before starting your work. You'll immediately notice faster responses, richer output, and smoother interactions, especially with voice or image-based tasks. So, whether you're writing blogs, generating art,
coding, or studying, using GPT-4o over older models is a game changer. Hack 19. Use Canvas for visual thinking. Sometimes words just aren't enough, that's where Canvas comes in. Canvas is a built-in whiteboard-style tool inside GPT-4o that lets you visually brainstorm, organize, or explain your ideas. You can draw, sketch, move objects, and build visual layouts, all while ChatGPT helps in the same window. Why this matters? Many people are visual learners. Canvas gives you a space to map out workflows, study plans, business flows, or decision trees side by side with your AI assistant. When to use it? While creating a study roadmap for exams, sketching a basic business model, visualizing project timelines or flowcharts, organizing thoughts using sticky notes or diagrams. How to access Canvas? Canvas is now built into GPT-4o. You can trigger it by simply asking GPT to draw, visualize, or create a diagram. For example, try prompting, how to build an AI model. Can you create a visual flowchart of this process? The canvas will appear right inside the chat when needed. No extra setup required. Hack 20. Advanced reasoning with GPT-4o. GPT-4o is not just fast, it's also incredibly smart when it comes to reasoning and logic. You can use it to tackle advanced multi-step problems like coding challenges, structured decision-making, or problem-solving exercises. Why this matters? GPT-4o blends reasoning power with speed. Unlike older models that may skip logic steps, 4o handles complex prompts with clarity, especially if you structure them well. Some of the use cases are solving multi-step math or physics problems, creating decision matrices, explaining scientific theories in steps, evaluating options using structured frameworks. Example: help me choose between preparing for a data science certification or an MBA this year. Make a pros and cons table, analyze time commitment, cost, and long-term benefit. GPT-4o will organize your request into clear steps and respond with a structured answer. Pro tip: if the reasoning seems too shallow, reframe your prompt to answer like a career counselor. Use logical breakdowns, risk assessment, and give a final recommendation. Advanced reasoning isn't about longer prompts, it's about sharper clarity. And there you have 10 more powerful ChatGPT hacks that take your AI usage to the next level. From customizing your interface to using advanced logic and visuals, GPT-4o isn't just smart, it's adaptable. And when you know how to unlock those features, your productivity and creativity explode. Which of these hacks will you try first? Or do you have your own secret trick that works wonders? Drop it in the comments, we might feature it in our next video. Coming up next, more hacks. We will see how to create custom GPTs, automate daily tasks, use AI for smarter planning, and much more. So hit like, share this with a fellow AI enthusiast. And as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.